Let's look at our next rates of change word problem. A spherical balloon is being inflated. Find the rate of increase of the surface. So we have this function with respect to the radius r, and where r is this. So we have this function given s is equal to 4 pi r square, and the rate of increase. How do we find that? Take the derivative of this function, which is simply going to be pi is constant here, right? So 4 pi, both are constant here, constant multiply rule here. So 4 pi times the derivative of r square, which is simply 2r, 2 minus 1, which is equal to 8 pi r square. Sorry, my bad. 2 minus 1 is 1, so 8 pi r. So we have s of r, this is, or you can write this as s of r. Okay, at 1 feet, we are asked about find the rate of increase of the surface area with respect to the radius. So let's see the surface area for this spherical balloon at 1 when the radius is 1. So this is 8 pi times r is 1. This is going to be 8 pi feet, and then 2 feet. Radius is 2 feet, so same thing, right? 8 pi times r is 2 here, so this is 16 pi. Oh, don't forget the units, feet, and then 3 feet is also 24 feet. The surface area, the rate of increase. Okay, so what conclusion can you make? Can you guys tell what we are seeing here? When the radius is 1, this is 8 pi feet. Then when it's 2, it's 16. When it's 24. So the conclusion we make from here is the rate of the surface increases, right? The conclusion we are making here is that the rate increases as the radius increases. And I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.